Hey guys, it's Kevin from Georgetown Toyota. Today I'm in front of a 2023 Highlander XLE gas model. I want to demonstrate with you how to use the keyless entry system. Of course, on the keyless system on the Highlanders and most late model Toyotas, you'll just keep them in your pocket. As you walk to the door itself, you're just going to place 4 fingers into the door. That unlocks one door. If you keep your hand there, it will unlock all the doors. Another cool feature as well is these 2 grooves on the door handles will lock the door if you press it. All right, guys, coming inside of the vehicle, this is the keyless entry system. Of course, you do not have to place the key into the ignition. It does detect that the key is close to you. On a lot of the newer vehicles that are getting stolen, we do offer what's called an immobilizer, this little device here. It will disable and enable your vehicle, of course, allowing you to start the car or deterring thieves from stealing your car. On this car, of course, you do have to press it twice. That enables the car, allowing you to start it. And a simple push of the start button there will start your vehicle. That's it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video on how to use the keyless entry system. Have a nice day.